Hello guys, hope you all feeling well. Today I'm here with the new video, and that is how to make a splash screen with Lottie animation and other animation in Android Studio. So let's start it. First of all, I will rename this activities, and I will give the name to this activity splash screen. Camel case as usual we are giving. I have already created a project, so that's why I only rename the activity. And here you will must have the letter small. Okay, it's done, and let's do another thing. We will have to paste a dependency here for the Lottie file. So come to Google, and here Lottie in Android, select the second website, and here you will find the library for this. So copy this library, both line, and paste in your build.gradle, sync it, and let's wait for it so that the build.gradle get completed. Now we will come here to our splash screen, and it is a constraint layout, so we have to change it to the relative layout, and we will remove this text view from here, and the extra line. Also the manifest is okay. Now I will make a folder here for the resource folder or tribal or asset, whatever you want. So I will come here to the folder and select asset folder, and I will name it main. So asset folder in main resource. So finish it and wait for the building. So it's done. Now come to your Google again and find Lottie animation, and this is the website. You must have to sign in this before downloading any animation or GIF or Lottie animation. Okay, it's here. I'm here on the page. Search what Lottie you want. So I'm one loading animation or loading or whatever you want. Search there. Okay, find a good loading animated GIF file. So I will download this and click on download. Click on Lottie JSON, and it's downloaded. And I will Control C the file, copy this. I will copy it and I will paste it in my asset folder, and I will give name to this file loading. It's done, and now I will come here to again to this so that we can see the Lottie file. Okay, I will copy this line, these line, and I will paste it here. Now press Alt plus Enter, create namespace declaration. On here I will asset, app Lotties, app Lottie, file name at the rate of asset, progress. Sorry, the file name is Lottie loading JSON. So it's the file name, and it's present, and I will align parent bottom true. And also we have to give a good background to this Lottie animation file, to the main layout, so it make and looks good. So also we have to place a banner, so which the banner is animated. So for that I will come here to the resource folder and select directory, and I will name animation directory. Then I will come to select animation layout for the image. So I will come here and select animate resource layout file, and I will name it stop animation. Okay, then I will select translate, Android duration, select the duration 2000. Then I will select Android from X delta 0%, and Android from Y delta minus 50%. And I will close this tag. Then I will select alpha, and I will select the duration, copy this line without wasting any time, and copy this. I will select that 1500, sorry, it will be better. Yes, 1500 will be better. And I will from alpha I will select it 0.1, and you can increase the value whatever you want, and write to alpha 1.0, and I will close this. So it's done. And now I want to give a background image to this layout. So for that I have some dummy images. I will come here and I will rename this splash DG. Okay, I will name it to BG only, because it always already available here with me. And I will also give the name to your images in small, cause it will create problem in the drawable. So select these two, Control C, and paste it in your drawable folder. Okay, I will give the background to this at the right of drawable BG, and also I will place an image. LOADING. Okay, I will image view, sorry, not image button, image view, and that is match parent or wrap content, and close this layout and give the resource what will be the source, and that is banner. Okay, I will come here and rename this banner to small. I will clean this project. Okay, I will delete this image and I will copy it again from here. I don't know why it's creating this problem, and I will paste it here, and I will give M, and that is banner. So banner. I don't know why it's give error. okay, it is your file, and now we will come here to this section, and for that we will have to first select the image view, declare it image view, and also we have to also we have to declare our animation enum for animation, and now I will take it from, I will define the ID image view is equal to file view by ID or dot ID dot, what is the ID? We haven't given any ID to it. I will give it a banner ID banner, and let's call it here banner. Also I will take the animation is equal to animation dot animation utils dot load animation, and the context of this activity, and r dot enum dot top animation, and we will apply this animation to the image view dot set animation. And the next thing, we have to give time to our splash activity, so we will do this by splash activity or splash screen dot this dot start activity, or you can direct start the activity, and context of this activity, or creating new intent, and context of this activity splash screen dot this to the activity you want to go. So we haven't created any activity where you want to go, so I will select an empty activity and I will name it some main activity because it's our dummy activity. So on the splash screen we call this activity to main activity because we are going to the main activity after splash. So I will give main activity dot class, and the intent is done. So now we have to put this intent in our timer. So for that we will come in and declare the handler. We will take help from the handler. Through handler we will do it. So new handler and looper dot get main dot post delay new runnable and I will give 4 seconds or 5 seconds. 4 seconds will be enough. 4000 mean 4 seconds, and I will copy this line, Control X this line, cut this line and paste it here, so it will be displayed the next activity after 4 seconds. And Before going to run this app, is we have the target SDK 31, which is updated in this month and the previous, I think. So for the target SDK 1, you must have to declare the Android export true in your launching activity. Is our launching activity is splash screen, so for that we will do Android export true here in the launching activity. If you don't do this, then your app will be not run, because it must and necessary it's compulsory for your splash screen if you have the SDK 31. So let's connect my mobile to Android Studio and watch what's happening. So let's start and run the app. Okay, my mobile is connected to this, and let's start. So our app is run, and boom, it's working fine. And come after 5 seconds, it come to the next activity. Let's watch it again. Yes, it's working fine, and after 5 seconds we come to the next activity. And if you want to remove the status bar, for this we are making another video. See you in the next video.